If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.
One more iPhone. The iPhone XR.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
What's going on, guys? Apple World here. So yesterday, Apple released the iPhone XS and the iPhone XS Max, which I already made a video on everything that you need to know, and of course it will be linked down below, as well with the Apple Watch Series 4 and everything that you need to know video. Yesterday I spent so much time filming and editing that, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Once again, links are down below. Today is the day for everything that you need to know on the iPhone XR, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's start by saying that the iPhone XR is a budget phone, so Apple has removed quite a lot of features to make the phone actually affordable, which is not really affordable. But anyways, Apple has removed 3D Touch on the iPhone XR. Now if you want to use 3D Touch, you simply have to long press. So the rumors about the display on the iPhone XR were actually true. The ones that we talked about in the channel like a month ago, they were actually true. We're getting a low quality LCD display on the actual iPhone. I mean, Apple has made this display so it won't look too bad, but it's definitely not the best because this is a budget phone. The display has great color correction and a true tone display. The only thing that really bothers me about this phone is that it can't play 180p video. So if you were thinking about purchasing this iPhone, just to let you guys know that this iPhone cannot play 180p. Of course it can play 720 on YouTube, for example, but it cannot play 180p because it's a budget phone. But Apple, like, come on, like, not at 180p. I was actually debating on this phone because it's a great phone. It's fast. The camera, we're gonna talk about in a second, but not playing 180p video is like. The iPhone XR has a single lens camera. Now, does that mean that we do not have portrait mode? Not at all. Apple has figured out a software-enabled portrait mode, which seems to be working really well. I really want to get my hands on it and actually compare it to the iPhone XS or even to the iPhone X to see how it compares. The Google Pixel does this really well. It has one single lens camera and it can actually do portrait mode. So hopefully the iPhone XR does great portrait mode. Since the iPhone XR is a budget phone, it comes in aluminum frames, unlike the iPhone XS, which is actually in steel. I actually like aluminum a lot. It might not look as classy as the iPhone X because of course it's made out of steel, but the steel on the iPhone scratches so easily, which is kind of a bummer. I mean, you have this $1,000 phone and it gets scratched so easily. So having a phone with aluminum borders might not be a bad thing. Also, just to let you guys know that the iPhone XR is rated IP67 instead of IP68 like the iPhone XS. Let's talk about the camera of the iPhone XR because it's practically the same lens as the iPhone XS. So basically, the iPhone XR has Smart HDR, portrait mode selfies, better low light, sharper action shots, a 12 megapixel camera, a 2 times faster sensor, and 4K video at 60 frames per second. So the camera is great on the iPhone XR. Do you know what's also great? New colors. The new iPhone XR comes in blue, coral, yellow, a product red, which looks absolutely beautiful, white, and black. The new iPhone XR starts at $749 and goes over $899. A really interesting thing is that the 64 gigs is actually $749, and then the 128 is actually $799. So there's not a huge gap between those prices. So if you're thinking on purchasing a much larger storage, go for the 128. It's a great deal. Beats have also released brand new colors for the year Beats 3 to match the new iPhones and actually support Lightning. Pre-orders on the new iPhone start on the 19th of October and will start shipping on the 26th. So anyways, the iPhone XR has the same speakers, the same specs, same Face ID, the same RAM, the A12 Bionic. It's practically the same as the iPhone XS. I'll be making a comparison video to see first off which one will I keep. I honestly don't know because I really like this phone, I really like the design, I really like the new colors, but I also want like the superior features on the iPhone XS. So is the price difference worth it? I'll be making a video on that separately. This one is affordable. In my opinion, it should have been a little bit more affordable because since this is a budget phone, this is a phone that supposedly people can afford like without a problem. It's still expensive, and for a little bit more you can still buy the iPhone XS, so there's kind of a controversy there. So anyways guys, that's pretty much it for this video. That's pretty much it for everything that you need to know on the upcoming iPhone XR. Once again, pre-orders start next month. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you guys going to actually buy this phone? And actually, which phone are you going to get? Are you going to purchase the iPhone XS or the iPhone XR? If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts such as this one, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.